Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that many of us can relate to: rebuilding trust after betrayal, healing wounds together. Betrayal can shatter the foundation of trust in any relationship, but it's not the end of the story. In this video, we'll explore the journey of healing and rebuilding trust after betrayal. Whether it's infidelity, broken promises, or other forms of betrayal, we'll share practical insights to help you navigate this challenging path towards reconnection and renewed trust. Let's dive in. Segment 1: Acknowledging the impact. The first step in rebuilding trust is acknowledging the impact of betrayal. 1. Emotional toll. Understand the emotional toll betrayal takes on both parties. 2. Honest conversations. Initiate open and honest conversations about the betrayal's impact. Segment 2: Taking responsibility. Taking responsibility is crucial for moving forward. 1. Acknowledging the betrayal. The betrayer needs to acknowledge their actions and their consequences. 2. Owning mistakes. Take ownership of the mistakes and pain caused by the betrayal. Segment 3: Open communication. Open communication is key to rebuilding trust. 1. Transparency. Commit to being transparent about feelings, thoughts, and actions. 2. Listening and validation. Listen actively and validate each other's emotions and concerns. Segment 4: Rebuilding trust brick by brick. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. 1. Consistency and reliability. Demonstrate consistent and reliable behavior over time. 2. Honoring commitments. Keep promises and commitments as a way to rebuild trust. Segment 5: Patience and understanding. Patience and understanding are vital during this journey. 1. Gaining perspective. Understand that healing takes time, and setbacks are normal. 2. Emotional support. Offer emotional support and encouragement throughout the process. Segment 6: Seeking professional help. Seeking professional help can be beneficial. 1. Couples therapy. Consider couples therapy to navigate the complexities of rebuilding trust. 2. Therapeutic support. Individual therapy can help address personal wounds caused by betrayal. Segment 7: Establishing boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries is essential. 1. Clear expectations. Define boundaries to ensure both parties feel safe and respected. 2. Enforcing boundaries. Enforce boundaries while honoring each other's need for independence. Segment 8: Self-reflection. Self-reflection aids in the healing process. 1. Examining motivations. Reflect on the reasons behind the betrayal to prevent future mistakes. 2. Personal growth. Use the experience as an opportunity for personal growth and change. Segment 9: Forgiveness. Forgiveness is a complex but crucial part of healing. 1. Gradual process. Understand that forgiveness takes time and varies for each individual. 2. Letting go. Letting go of resentment allows for authentic healing and rebuilding. In conclusion, rebuilding trust after betrayal, healing wounds together, is a journey of growth and renewal. Thank you for watching. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on relationships, personal growth, and effective communication. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Remember, with dedication, open communication, and a commitment to healing, it's possible to rebuild trust and create a stronger, more resilient bond. Until next time, Take steps towards healing and rebuilding the trust that forms the foundation of healthy relationships.